Hi, Assalamualaikum and good afternoon. Our group is room number 3. I'm Nur Khairunisa binti Khalid and my group members are Nick Nur Amira, Fatin and Joyce. Today, we would like to present about nutrient uptake process. Okay, first of all, for the introduction, root is an important component in any plants. There are 5 functions of the roots, which are: first, anchoring of the plants to the soil; second, absorption of water and nutrients from the soil; third, conduction of absorbed water and nutrients to the stem; fourth, root as a storage of the food; and lastly is involve vegetative reproduction and competition with the other plants. Next is nutrient element. Nutrient element can be divided into 2, which are macronutrient and micronutrient. Macronutrients is mineral elements in large amounts, which are nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and sulfur. While micronutrients is mineral elements are used in small quantity. For example, boron, copper, chlorine, iron, manganese, molybdenum, nickel, and zinc.
There are general steps for nutrient uptake by plants. First, the nutrient released from the solid phase into the soil solution in the soil. Next, the nutrient move based on the concentration gradients or water flow to reach the root system. Next, the nutrient move into the root via different mechanisms. There are 3 different mechanisms based on types of ions. The nutrients transport from the root to shoot to make sure the plants get the nutrients. There are 3 different mechanisms of nutrient absorption by plant roots. First, we have root interception. The root interception is when the intersection of nutrients in soil solution is done by the extension of root system, and this mechanism also done by the active or passive transport. Next, we have mass flow. The mass flow is when the dissolved nutrients carried in flow of water towards plant roots, and this mechanism depends on the soil water content, temperature, and root size. And lastly, we have diffusion mechanism. Diffusion mechanism is when the movement of ions towards roots from the surrounding of soil.
Alright, let's take a quick recap. Just now I've mentioned about the factors that affect the plant nutrients uptake. And nutrients is fast to take up when plants grow well to produce a lot of root system. And there are some ways to actually help to improve the soil fertility, in which that we actually can increase the clay humus content of the soil, maintain a good soil structure of the soil system, ensure the soil is actually warm, deep enough, with moisture, good drainage, not the stagnant water, well fertilization, and lastly, to maintain the soil pH at a near to neutral stage so that all the nutrients is actually available for the plant nutrients to uptake. Thank you.
How ion uptake by plant works, and also the mechanism that nutrient absorption by roots that have been explained from my members, which is root interception, mass flow, and also the diffusion. The second is we need to know the nutrient element that needed by the plant to continue flowering, fruiting, and also the increased growth rate, and etc. And for example, if we have planted some plant, and we also